order of a group. Order of a group. Now, actually we have till now we have faced that there are groups which are finite or infinite. So, order of a group, order of a group is number of elements in a group. That means we also know that there are finite and infinite group, and this is order of a group is denoted by, if G is a group, then order of G is denoted by this. So this is order. For example, if I say G is a group which contains 1, -1, iota, minus iota, then order of G is equal to 4. And if number of elements infinite, then infinite. But one more thing here we see, actually in infinite groups we cannot do many things, but in this case it is a finite group. We see what we have a element I. If I say, because I belong to G, then by closure property I into I, that means I square belong to G. And similarly, now I square already has come in G, then I square into I, that is I cube, belong to G. Similarly, I4 belong to G. So this process keep continue. I5 belong to G and so on. But what happened? The number of elements are only 4, and if we keep proceeding, we are getting many, like infinite element. But actually it is not infinite, because these numbers are start repeating. They cannot exceed 4. Otherwise, if they exceed the number of elements from 4 to some bigger number, then G will not be group. So what do you see? See, here we can clearly see I and I square become -1, and I cube become, this is I cube, this is become minus I4 become 1, and I5 become what? I5 become I. That means after 4 it start repeating, this number already come. If I make again I6, then I6 become -1, I6 become -1, I7 become -I. So it start the repeating. That means otherwise, if each time the operation produce new element, then there will be a contradiction regarding the number of element or order of the group. So this is how we can understand. Now what thing we get from here? We get in a finite group, a new definition, we group order of an element. This is also a definition. The least positive integer, so I define here the least positive integer n is called order of an element A belong to G if a raised to n is equal to identity. That means after some time it become identity. Now here the what power of I make I equal to 1 identity element. So here simply in this group we can say the order of I is 4 because I4 is equal to 1. I4 is equal to 1. So other element also we can find the order. Now my question is what is the order of 1, order of -1, order of I, order of -I. So order of 1 obviously 1. So this is order of 1 is 1. Order of -1 is equal to 2 because -1 raised to power 2 is 1, and this is the least number, least positive integer. Now order of I is 4 because I4 I can write I square into I square, and this is -1 into -1, that become 1. So similarly order of -I, what will be the order of -I? If I multiply -I into -I, then it become plus and this become -1. Now again if I multiply -I, then what happen? This is -I here, that become I. Again I multiply -I, then it become I here and this become 1. That means order of -I also 4. So this is the way we can find the order of a group. Now we take some question. What is the order of G where G is a group with respect to operation? Okay, I take addition 5, addition modulo 5. The elements are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the operation is addition. That means obviously order of G is 5. Now what is the order of 0? That means how many times I add 0 so it becomes 0? Definitely 1. Now order of 1, how many times I add 1 in itself? That means 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 up to 5 times. That is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 divided by 5, this becomes 0. So identity come. Now order of 2, how many times I add? That means 2 plus 2, it is 4, it is 6, it is 8, it is 10. Now divided 5, it is completely divided, that means we get 0. So here order of how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means order of 5. That means we can say it is 5 into 2. So this is 5. Again order of 3. how many time I add? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means this is also 5. Order of 4. This is also 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. How many times? It is also 5. That means 5 into 4 become 20, and 20 is divided by 5 and remainder is 0. So except one element, all has the, because before this no number can make 4 equal to 0. So that means here one more thing we understand here, order of element G in case of multiplication we write n implies this, and in case of addition order of A is NA is equal to 0. This is the case of multiplication, this is case of addition. So now we can understand